guys, everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have a haul for you guys. So I didn't know that I was gonna get these, and that's why it was so exciting. And this is a PR haul. This is a package that I received from Laura Mercier because they're announcing that they're gonna be available at Ulta. You guys know that I'm not a PR type of person. I don't get sent that much PR. I get sent PR from Benefit Colombia, here in Colombia, and then I get PR in the US from Laura Mercier. Those are not small brands, and those are brands that I actually love. I didn't know how much I love Laura Mercier until I started receiving their products, because the only product that I did really know from them that I truly loved was the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and that's something that I've been trying for ages. I love their creams, their souffles. I bought with my own money the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and two of their highlighters I purchased before, and Indiscretion is one of my favorite highlighters. I wasn't really into the brand, and one thing that I've noticed, and I have to say it before I do this haul, is that the more of a grown-up I am, the more of a woman I become, I love brands that are more classical, and this happens with clothing as well. I prefer something that's timeless, and then Laura Mercier, NARS, Bobbi Brown. I don't have that much stuff from Bobbi Brown, but those are timeless brands. They're not brands that are just trendy, sort of like ColourPop. I'm not shaming ColourPop. I love their stuff as well, but I wanna recommend, as I want to do in clothing, I want to recommend stuff that it's timeless and stuff that you can go back in time or forward in time and then say, oh, I used to love that powder and I will probably love it 10 years after. So the Laura Mercier translucent powder was my first translucent powder ever, and that powder, I've been using it for about 7 years or 8 years at this point. It was my first translucent powder, and it was my first high-end powder because I started buying makeup, real makeup, when I moved to New York, and then the first makeup that I purchased was all high-end. And the Laura Mercier translucent powder was the first one that I tried, and I loved it. I truly loved it. So if you want to see the products that Laura Mercier sent me, because they're announcing that they're gonna be at Ulta, which is an exciting thing because you know Ulta, they have an amazing point system. I'm gonna leave every product that they sent to me linked below so that you guys can go and check it out if you're interested. So without further ado, if you want to see the products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so they sent this little brochure, and it says now available at Ulta, the translucent powder, the powder puff. They have the caviar sticks, the lipsticks, the blushes, the translucent powder in the glow version and the regular version. I'm excited that they're gonna be at Ulta because Ulta, like I said, it has an amazing point system. That means that, so the more you purchase products, whether they are from Laura Mercier or not, it doesn't matter. You're gonna get points that are gonna translate to money, and that means you're gonna be able to purchase more makeup for yourself. So that's a good thing that they decided to go into Ulta, and Ulta, it's growing because each day they're having more and more high-end brands. And you guys know that at Ulta you can find drugstore as well. So I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna show you the products that they sent me. So first they sent me this pouch, which I find to be beautiful and classy, and I love the beigey, the nude color, and it says Laura Mercier in here. Then they sent me this brush, which is the Glow brush. I've been trying it, and I actually love it for blush, because when you smile you can actually apply blush and it will hug your cheek, so like this. I've been using it these days, and I don't think I would use it for highlighter, but for blush I would for sure, and it's super soft. And then they sent me a blush, and this blush, I don't have the shade, and I want all the shades because their blushes are amazing. They are sort of a formula that you can never go wrong with. This is the Laura Mercier blush color infusion in the shade Rosé, and this is just stunning. This blush actually swatches better than the rest of the Laura Mercier blushes that I have, because those look like they're gonna not show up on your skin when they actually do. That's what I love the most about them, because they're foolproof. So this is the color, and then you can see it right here. You can see it better from afar. And I love this because this is basically an everyday cheek, and those are my favorite nowadays. I sometimes love a reddish blush, but I prefer something like I'm wearing today, basically a pinky blush. It's the thing that I've been using lately, a pinky nude. They also sent me this, which I'm not gonna have to show you because you guys have already seen them, the Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is gonna be a great one because the one they sent me before is already half gone, and then they sent me a translucent glow, and this one is gonna go on my kit because I have another one of these and I have it on my everyday makeup drawer. I've been using it as a base for my highlighter. You will probably see that on my favorites pretty soon, and these I will have on my makeup artistry kit just to put on the shoulders of my clients whenever the quarantine is over, and as a base for their highlighter as well. So I'm pretty happy that I got these because, again, one thing that I know I will use it for is also when I have clients with drier skin that they want a glowy face, because the translucent one from Hourglass is gonna be running out pretty soon. So that's a good thing because that will restrain me from purchasing another product when I can just replace it with something that I already have in my collection. They also sent this one, and this is the Secret Brightening Powder. I have to play more with this powder. I have one that I'm already using. I purchased this years ago, and this takes me a while to finish because I don't find it to be better than the translucent powder. It's for under the eyes, and I prefer to use the translucent powder under my eyes. So I need to find a way to use this to fall in love with it. If you have it and you love it, let me know how you use it. Maybe I'm using it wrong, maybe the brush that you use it with, maybe what you put underneath of it, maybe if you put translucent powder and then this one on top to brighten, because I don't see the difference, and I would love to use the one that I have open more. And this one, if I can, then I can put it on my makeup artistry kit. Let me know if it gives you flashback. I have taken pictures with it and it doesn't give me flashback, but I'm afraid to use it on a bride and be disappointed with it. So far this is the only product that I'm hesitant about, but the rest of the products that they have sent on this little box have been amazing. Then the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. So I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna show it to you. I shouldn't open it, but I wanna show it to you guys. So this is a volumizing mascara, and you can see the wand right here. And this is a black one. I'm gonna put this in my mascara drawer, and maybe I will open it up after I finish the sample size mascaras that I'm going through right now. They also sent me this puff. So a funny thing is that before I got this package, the day before, I was going through the Laura Mercier YouTube channel, and I was seeing how they use this puff, and I know that Wayne Goss, so he uses this to set people's face with a roll and something technique, and that technique is a Laura Mercier technique with puffs. You can see it in their YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave it linked below. So I wanted to purchase this, and then I got it the day after, and that's so cool because you guys know that I'm on a year when I'm trying to limit my purchases. So having this one, I already used it. You can see it right here, and you will see it in an upcoming tutorial that I will post. And this is wonderful. I love the size of it. I usually use smaller puffs, and this size is perfect, and it just presses powder so flawlessly. The powder will melt into your skin. Sometimes you can make mistakes applying powder with a wet beauty blender, so with this one you will not have that issue, and I'm happy that they sent this to me. I have it in my everyday makeup drawer, so I've been using it, and I want to keep using it and give you a thorough review afterwards, or you will see it in my favorites if I keep loving it the way I have for these past few days. They sent me 2 lipsticks, and I showed these on a PR haul that I did on my Instagram, but the thing is that it was so beautiful to receive these because these are basically my mom and me in separate lipsticks. So my mom will wear red every day, and I will wear nude every day. These are Beige Intimate, the nude one, and then Rouge Ultimate, the red one, and this is a classic red. I'm not gonna give this one to my mom because I already gave her another Laura Mercier lipstick, and this red, this classic red, will be amazing for my makeup artistry kit. I don't have a classic red right now on my makeup artistry kit. That's a bullet lipstick. I only have the Lady Balls from Too Faced, which is a liquid lip. But the type of red that this one is so pretty. It's gonna be beautiful for 4th of July. And I want to show you the nude. The nude calls my name. It's just something that I could wear every single day. And you can see them right there. The Laura Mercier lipsticks, they have beautiful packaging, and then they have a magnetic cap. And I love that. I don't know why, but that just feels relaxing to me. They sent me 2 caviar sticks. Ages ago, I purchased a point perk, and it was rose gold from Laura Mercier. And I finished that sample completely. And they sent me rose gold. And I've been loving metallic taupe. It's basically my favorite right now. But rose gold is so subtle and beautiful. You can see it right here on my hand. It's just not one that you can see on camera that well, but it's so pretty. It's right there. And this is the one that I have in the center of my lid just to give it a glow. And I love these. I think caviar sticks are amazing. I think if you have oily eyelids, this will work. They don't budge at all. And when they set, they set. And then the smokiness that you see on my eyes is not a powder eyeshadow. It's this one. And this I saw on Shelby Wilson. I think it's her last name. I love her. I've been watching her for ages, and she uses the Laura Mercier caviar sticks a lot, and Cocoa is her favorite. I don't have any other matte caviar sticks, so when I received this one and I realized it was Cocoa, I was super happy, and using it today was extremely easy. You would put just a dot and blend it. You will see that I will do a tutorial with it. I will do a brown smoky eye just using these caviar sticks, nothing else. And then I use it as a liner in my inner rim, in my waterline. And it doesn't budge, and it's so brown and beautiful. I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys so that you guys can see. These are buttery, and the way they blend, you have to blend them one eye at a time, because if not they will set. But when you blend them, they're so easy to blend. You can see right here. And then you can blend them, build them, and then blend them again, and they will not be patchy. They will just buff out as a true powder eyeshadow, but they're easy on the go, so you can basically carry 5 or 6 of these, and then you will have an complete eye look. These are versatile products. You can even use this one as a highlighter in your face, as a cream highlighter if you wanted to. So these are really nice. They blend and they play with each other nicely. They have different formulas like the metallic, the satin, the mattes. I would highly recommend them. I think this is one of the products that stands out to me from Laura Mercier. And if you guys want to try something easy, if you like something easy and that looks put together and beautiful on your eyes, you can buy a few of the caviar sticks from Laura Mercier and you will not be disappointed. So that's it for this video, you guys. I feel thankful that Laura Mercier sends me products, and they trust me enough to know that I will tell the truth about their products and just show how they perform to you guys. And you guys know that I'm a small channel. I love small channels because most of the small channels that I follow, they're completely honest, and I love that. I love that in a world of YouTube that's now so tainted and not that honest. So I will put a lot of these products to the test in an upcoming tutorial because I wanted to play with them as soon as they got here, so I filmed a tutorial with them, and then I will keep using them and let you guys know my thoughts on them. If I change my mind about a product, then I will also let you guys know about that. But so far, the product that I know I will use the least on myself is the red lipstick, but I'm gonna put it on my kit. And then the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, it's one that it will last me for ages. And the only one that I'm hesitant about is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. But the rest of the products, the blush, everything is just beautiful. I love the caviar sticks, the blush, and the translucent powder the most. They are amazing to me. And the mascara, I'm gonna try their mascara for the first time. I'm hoping that I can get to have great updates from this brand to you guys. Maybe I can do a full face of Laura Mercier in the future. That's it, you guys. Let me know if you want to see any of these products in action, because I would gladly do that for you. For the emoji today, let's just put something cocoa related, because of this stick that it's so beautiful and wonderful and made my eyes so smudgy and blown out and smoky with a hint of brown. So cocoa is gonna be the emoji for today, and that's it. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.